Hey everybody, welcome to another Tomboy beauty unboxing video. My name's Amy Harber. That's where you can find me on social media. This is another throwback box. It's almost a year old, but hey, let's get to it. It's the September Birchbox. The theme is your time to shine. This was like their birthday box and you're supposed to color it in with pencils. I never did it. I did buy colored pencils and I am going to color it in. But it didn't happen when I got the box mailed to me because that was right when I was moving to Chicago. Anyway, let's get into these fun products. So again, it's the September 2017 Birchbox. There was like 3 different designs on this box. I got the one with the fun girls. I'm looking forward to coloring this with my colored pencils. Anyway, this first product, I'm really excited because I'm going on a trip and I'm really excited to take it with me. It's called Daily Concepts Your Facial Micro Scrubber, and it's a dual texture facial scrubbing tool that will get rid of dirt and grime, and you can use it morning or night with your favorite cleanser. And I haven't taken it out of the bag, but there's a little tag on it, and the tag, the writing wears off when it's time to replace it. So that is fun. Then we have Lollia by Margot Elena. It is a lavender, bee blossom, honey, and white orchids perfume. It's got a little touch of Tahitian vanilla. Won't be going with me on my trip. It's called Relax, so it's genuine floral infusions. If I can get it open here, we'll take a little whiff of it. Whoop. Yeah, I wish I could just let you smell it too, but you can definitely smell the lavender and the vanilla, so that's going to be an awesome perfume to wear later. Then we have a Lord & Berry strobing pencil, a little highlighter, ooh. Little highlight, little pop there. Smooth that in, just put it wherever. A little bit on the brow there. There we go. Maybe I'll take that with me on my trip too. Then we have Oribe Matte Waves Texture Lotion. So you can get Pixi undone beachy wave texture with this. It's probably going to go with me on my trip. You apply it to damp hair and let it air dry to give you beachy waves. I am a big fan of air drying my hair, as you can tell. I try not to put a lot of heat products on it. Then finally, Pixi by Petra, which I love them. I won a gift bag from them at BeautyCon last year. I did not go to BeautyCon this year. I boycotted due to Kim Kardashian's appearance. I feel like she is not a good role model for teenage girls. Therefore, I boycotted BeautyCon this year. Anyway, Pixi by Petra. It's Lift Max in Honey Sheen. It's like our kind of rose gold color. It is, I cannot get it open past the wrapping, so we're not going to see the color unless I get it open right here. Oh yay. Okay, kids, don't do what I'm about to do, especially if your parents paid a lot of money for braces, because if my father was still alive and just saw me do that, he would lose his shit. So this is, it's like a peachy, it's hard to see, my light fades things out. Anyway, it's peachy and it's got little, you can wear it over color, you can wear it alone. It's got chamomile infused formula to leave you with a moisturized, pillowy pout. Those are all the products. Oh, and they left me a note on the bottom. However, I waited almost a year to unbox this, so I will not get a chance to be featured on their social channels, because it says decorate your box with your own personal flair, upload a photo on Instagram using Birchbox DIY, and you'll get a chance to be featured on social channels. Hey, it's been almost a year. Maybe if I do it as a throwback, they'll feature me. So, and I also missed Customer Appreciation Day. That's always good. See what happens when you procrastinate, kids? Anyway, don't procrastinate. Follow me on social media, and I'll see you next time.